able to take the data and add it to a graph. So the data I'm choosing to show today is the percentage of students who eat school lunch versus the percentage of students who eat home lunch. I just wanted to represent this in a graph so people understand the importance of this infographic, and especially the importance of this to show our students with special needs. So I'm going to go ahead and go to charts. I'm going to go ahead and do a bar graph for this one. I'm going to bring it down to where I want it to be. I'm going to press edit. So I'm just going to go ahead and reset this. And I'm only going to need 2 columns. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the columns just so I have A and C. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and pick 2 colors that kind of match the scheme of the infographic I already created. So green and orange. And this is going to represent our home lunch, and orange is going to represent our school lunch. Right here, this is also the label for the types of lunch. The label goes here. And the thing about these graphs is they won't let you put it in a percentage, so I'm just going to go ahead and import the data in a number and then add a label here on my y-axis that says percentage. That is something that I have not been able to do, is add a label on my y-axis. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that in a text box later. But anyway, you see here, let me mix those ones up, sorry. We have a higher percentage of students who have school lunches than home lunches. Okay, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply those changes. Shrink this down to fit on my graph. And then I'm going to go ahead and add that y-axis that I wasn't able to add. That just says percentage of students. Anyway, making the graph is actually really simple. It just took me about 3 minutes to figure out how to do it. But there you go. Something like that. So we have our percentage of student, and we have a bar graph to represent that. We typically have 60% of students have a school lunch, so it shows the importance of this infographic.